Yes, it's our trip to Japan. And here we're going to Cindy-san.
Osaka.
Osaka. Hi, look at the bridge. Yes.
Scan mo,
Wow, so clean. No traffic. No traffic.
Oo, no?
Mahahabol mo yung ano, tumakas sa'yo. Yes. Yes. What are your feelings?
Wala akong feelings.
Wala kang feelings. Yes, so clean. Oh, nice. Visiting Japan. We will come back again. Kararating lang. We will come back again. Hi. We're here.
Nakakabit ka na sa wifi?
Hindi pa. Ano lang to video?
Ang lamig.
Yes.
Ate, i-on mo na kaya yung packet wifi. Yes, kanina pa naka-on.
Ilap mo na.
Loko. Konti na ang sasakyan dito. Talaga no traffic. It's here only in Japan. Oh, look. Look at the bridges.
Hi, ate. Nasa ka daw? Ha?
We're from airport to go to Osaka.
Papatingnan mo pa.
Yes.
Hi, baby.
It's our family trip. First timers. Partly cloudy. Partly cloudy and very, very cold. Very cold outside. Wow! Wow, look. Look. We are all in coat lahat. From airport goes to Osaka. Ay, look. It's nice outside. This is my left side. How about the right side? How many minutes, Cindy? To seaside. Pag may disaster ang Japan, ang bilis-bilis nilang panto. It's only in Japan. Hindi ah. Inaabot ko lang ito. Inaabot ko lang ito ng 10. Oh, we're already in Osaka. Ako. Osaka.
Sige, yan yung sinasabi.
Yes. Ang bilis, kuya. Parang di ka may stress, di ka mainip.
OMG, kasabay natin si Oding mag-fly.
Sa Hong Kong.
Saan ka?
Hong Kong?
Hindi, nandito rin. Osaka. Eh, ba't di ba gusto mo by sa atin? Anong flight niya?
Hindi, domestic. Ay, wala siya. Magbuburakay to.
Ano ba?
Hindi